Hi, we're Dave and Jill, and we love to travel in our motorhome. We took early retirement so that we could travel more often. Our current trip was supposed to be to the far north of Scotland, but following a big forecast of snow in the new year, we slowed it down, and we've been gradually working our way further northwards as the snow cleared. In today's trip, you'll see us in Tayport. If you enjoy the video, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment. We'll happily answer any questions. Welcome back. So yesterday we left St Andrews and we drove half an hour to Tayport, just across the river from Dundee. We are parked up on a campsite that's community owned. It's £35 a night, so it's on the steep side, but there is a nice amenities block. You've got showers, toilets, and a washing machine and dryer. Good services for motorhomes as well. We didn't film anything yesterday as it rained non-stop. So today is our first opportunity to take a walk. We are right next to Tentsmuir Nature Reserve, so we're going to take a walk down there and have a look around. Polish troops who were based here built hundreds of concrete blocks as an anti-tank barrier. You can see quite a lot of them on the seashore, but some of them are buried in the dunes, some of them are further out to sea, some of them are quite a distance from the sea, as everything has shifted over time. Soon it was time for lunch, and it was really nice to be able to sit in the sun and enjoy our sandwiches with a flask of hot tea while watching the wildlife. This pool was formed by the river that was running across the back of the beach and out to sea in the estuary. Some young seals seemed to be enjoying it, playing and fighting with each other. The Forestry Commission began planting trees here in the 1920s. Prior to that, it was a vast area of barren sand dunes and heathland. There were two reasons for planting. One was a commercial reason for timber production, and the other was land reclamation, to stop the shifting sands and help stabilize the landscape. Another rainy morning kept us indoors, but then when it cleared after lunch, we headed out for a walk to Lochs. So the walk to the lochs is on the same track as we started out yesterday, as the loch is also part of Tentsmuir Nature Reserve. But where yesterday we turned and walked along the coast out to the sea, today we're going to walk through the woods and a little bit inland. Lochs are part of Tentsmuir Nature Reserve. The lochs were created in the early 1900s and soon became an important habitat for wildlife. The surrounding forest is supposed to be a really good place to see red squirrels. As the loch was frozen, there wasn't any bird life on it, apart from this cheeky little guy. It's hard to believe that it rained all morning, but it did mean we had a late start, so we couldn't stay long and had to head back. Morning everybody. Today we are moving a little bit further north. We've left Tayport behind, crossed over the Tay River, done a bit of shopping in Dundee, and now we're heading up the coast to Tentsmuir Nature Reserve. So join us on our next video as we continue our journey north. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and please leave a comment. We always enjoy reading them.